Hey everyone, in this video, we're diving into how to calculate the volume of a hemisphere using JavaScript. A hemisphere is just half a sphere, and with just a bit of math and some input validation, we'll build a smart, reusable function that gives us the result. Let's get started and write this step by step. Here's what we're solving. Given the radius, we want to compute the volume of a hemisphere. That's half a sphere. The formula is pretty straightforward. 2/3 times pi times the radius cubed. But we also want to make sure the value passed is a valid number, just like we do in any real-world application. This is the core logic. We have two functions. Volume hemisphere does the actual math, while isNumber checks that our radius is a valid number and positive. If the input is invalid, like a string or a negative number, we throw a helpful error. Otherwise, we just calculate the volume using the formula and return it. Here's the step-by-step flow. First, the user gives us a radius. We then send it to the validation function to confirm it is a real number and that it's positive. If it passes, we plug it into the formula and return the volume. If not, we throw an error right away and skip the math entirely. Let's run a few cases. If we pass 4.0, we get the correct volume of 134.04. But if we pass it as a string like 4.0, we get a type error. And the negative radius? That throws a custom error telling the user the radius must be positive. This keeps our function clean, reusable, and safe. Hemisphere volume isn't just a math exercise. It pops up in design, architecture, and physics, even in game development. Whether you're modeling curved surfaces or teaching geometry in a coding class, this little function has a lot of impact. It is a great example of blending math with practical coding. And there you have it, a neat JavaScript program that calculates the volume of a hemisphere and handles bad input gracefully. Whether you're working on simulations or just want to sharpen your skills, this is a great one to add to your toolkit. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.